Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question 2 into x square plus 1 over x square minus 9 into x plus 1 over x plus 14 equal to 0, and we have to solve this question for the value of x. So let's try to solve this question together. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all we will put y equal to x plus 1. So as we have considered y equal to x plus 1, so therefore to find the value of x square plus 1 over x square, we will take square on both sides of this equation. So after taking square on both sides, this will become y square and this x plus 1 over x whole square. So now we will apply a plus b whole square formula over here, so which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Like this question will become y square equal to a square, that's x square, plus b square, which is 1 over x square, plus 2ab. So now this x will cancel this x, so the remaining term will be plus 2 over here. So overall this equation will become y square equal to x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. And now we will send this plus 2 on other side of the equation, so it will become it will become minus 2. So overall this will become y square minus 2, y square minus 2 equal to x square plus 1 over x square. So now we have the value of x square plus 1 over x square as well. So this was our formula which we have applied over here: a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now we have this question 2 into x square plus 1 over x square minus 9 into x plus 1 over x plus 14 equal to 0. So according to our supposition, this x square plus 1 over x square is equal to y square minus 2, and similarly x plus 1 over x equal to y. So let's put these supposition. So after putting these values, the equation will become 2 into y square minus 2 minus 9, and here y, and plus 14 equal to 0. So this 2 will multiply with these two terms, so it will become 2y square minus 4, 2y square minus 4, and this minus 9y plus 14 equal to 0. And now this 2y square minus 9y and this minus 4 plus 14 equal to 10. So overall the equation will become 2y square minus 9y plus 10 equal to 0. And now we will try to factorize this question. So we can factorize this as minus 4y into minus 5y, like this: 2y square minus 4y minus 5y. Because if we add this minus 4 and minus 5y, so again it is equal to minus 9y, and if we multiply, so it must be 20y square, which if we multiply, so equal to 20y square. So both the condition are satisfied, so therefore our splitting is okay. Now in these two terms we will take 2y as common, and in these two terms we will take 5 as common. So let's take the common term. So after taking 2y as common, the remaining term will be y over here, and will be 2 over here, like this. And after taking 5 is common, the remaining term will be y, and here, because of this minus, when multiply with this minus, will be again become 10. So therefore we will write minus 2 over here, because minus minus when multiply equal to plus, so which is equal to 0. And now in these two terms, y minus 2 is common, so we will take y minus 2 is common from here. So after taking y minus 2 is common, the remaining term will be 2y over here, and minus 5 over here, which is equal to 0. And now we will compare these two values with 0. So overall our equation will become y minus 2 equal to 0, and 2y minus 5 equal to 0. And now we will send this minus 2 on the other side of the equation. So y equal to 2, and similarly 2y equal to 5, and again y equal to 2, and this when we divide on both sides by 2. So this will become y equal to 5 divided by 2. And now, according to our supposition, we have supposed x plus 1 over x equal to y. So now, when we have y equal to 2, so we will solve this. We will put y equal to 2 in this equation, and then we will solve it. So x plus 1 over x equal to 2. Now we will take x as LCM over here. So this x will multiply with this, so it will become x squared plus 1, and divided by this x will divide both the terms, and then we multiply this x with this 2. So overall this equation will become x squared plus 1 equal to 2x, x squared plus 1 equal to 2x, and now we will send this 2 on other side of the equation. So this equation will become x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And now this equation is in the form of x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, because this is a formula which is equivalent to a minus b whole square, and according to a minus b whole square formula, this formula is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b whole square. So we can write in place of this formula, and which is equal to 0. And now we will take square root on both sides to cancel this square. So x equal x minus 1, this will become x minus 1 equal to 0, like this. After taking this square root on both sides, so this square will cancel this square root, and under root 0 is equal to 0. So now we will send this this minus 1 on other side of equation. So this x will become equal to 1. So x equal to 1, x is equal to 1. So this is the first solution of our question. And now we will put y equal to 5 divided by 2, which was the other value of our solution. So now we have supposed that x plus 1 over x equal to 5 divided by 2. So after putting this y equal to 5 divided by 2, now we will solve this equation. So we will take this x as LCM. So this equation will become x squared plus 1 divided by x, and then we will multiply this 2 on this side of the equation, and this x we will multiply over here. So overall our equation will become 2 into x squared plus 1, and similarly equal to 5x, like this. 2 into x squared plus 1 into 5x. So now we will multiply these 2 with these two values. So this will become 2x squared plus 2, and we will send this 5x on other side of the equation. So it will become minus 5x, which is equal to 0. So overall this equation will become 2x squared minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. And now this is quadratic equation, so we will try to factorize this equation. So let's factorize this equation as 2x squared minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now look at this value minus 4x minus 5x when added, so it will give minus 5x back, and if we multiply, so it will give 4x squared, and this is also equal to 4x squared. So it means that our both conditions are satisfied, and our splitting or factorization is true. So now we will take 2x as common over here, and similarly we will take 1 is common over here. So let's take the common term. So after taking 2x common from here, the remaining term will be x, and the remaining term will be 2 over here. And similarly, after taking 1 common, so the remaining term will be x over here, and here minus 2, which is equal to 0. And now in these two terms, we have x minus 2 as common. So we will take this x minus 2 as common. So let's take x minus 2 is common. So after taking x minus 2 is common, the remaining term here is 2x, and similarly here is minus 1, which is equal to 0. And now we will compare these two factors with 0, uh, which is x minus 2 equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. And now we will send this minus 2 on other side of the equation, and similarly we will send this one on other side of the equation. So this will become x equal to 2 and 2x equal to 1. So now to eliminate this 2 from here, we will divide both sides by 2. So when we divide both sides by 2, so it will become x equal to 1 divided by 2. So overall, x equal to 2 and x equal to 1 divided by 2. So overall, we have three values now of x, which are 1 divided by 2, 1 and 2. So this is the solution set of the given question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Anyway, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. And in last, I will request you guys to please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Take care.